So hello everyone. Here we'll be starting a video series where I will talk about different concepts of operating system like process scheduling, process concept, memory management, virtual memory management, thread concept, and major operating system. In this video I'll be talking about the basic introduction to actually what is operating system and what are the operating systems which are used. Let's get started. So first of all, what is an operating system? So an operating system is a program. It's not anything which is visible, it's not a hardware, it's not a chip, it's a program which manages computer hardware. Like you have CPU and we have different programs, ठीक है, जो कि हमारे computer system में run कर रहे हैं. So there are different programs and there is a single CPU. So operating system will manage that. Okay, abhi from this 5 minutes to 5:30, like I'll assign this particular task to CPU. It's not that much time, but yeah, it's like it manages the computer hardware, that at which time we are going to allocate which process to which hardware, and so it manages computer hardware. Second is that it acts as a base for application program. It itself is a program and it also acts as a base for other application programs. And also operating system major work is like it acts as an interface between user and hardware. So it acts as an interface between user and hardware. To make this more clear, you must have written any C++ or any C or any program. So there you write any command. For example, if you write printf, in order to print anything, we write printf, right? But this printf command, our computer hardware is not able to understand. This command is given by the user, but the hardware can't understand that what is printf. For that they need a separate code. So are we going to write code whenever we have to write printf? तब तो it will be very tough to code anything, because logic से ज़्यादा तो हमें हर command के लिए code लिखना पड़ेगा. Then operating system comes to the rescue. वो कहता है नहीं, तुम code करो, आगे का मैं संभाल लूँगा. And so operating system here will issue a system call corresponding to this particular command. तो हमने लिखा printf, operating system ने उसके लिए एक system call issue करी और वो system call हमारे hardware के पास गई, and then it executed the function which is to be done by that particular command. And yet here, that is the main operation of operating system, is that it is acting as an interface between user and hardware. So that is about what is an operating system. So there are different operating systems which perform the same task, that is their major operations, like managing computer hardware, acting as a base for application program, and acting as an interface between user and hardware. But it may be that depending on the device on which they are working, their preferences changes. For example, we have mainframe operating system. So their major preference is to increase their major preference is the optimal utilization of resources. The mainframe operating system, their major preference is the optimal utilization of resources. When coming to the operating systems which are installed in our PC, like we have Windows, Linux, Unix, so their major preference is to increase the effectiveness. That is to support different application programs, to support different games and all. So their major preference is to increase the effectiveness. However, the operating systems which are present in the laptops, their major preference, like the mobile operating system, their major preference is to increase the user friendliness. You see, that to make it easier for the user to interact with the different programs which are present in the mobile phone. So these all operating systems are performing their major tasks same, that is according to the definition, but their preferences change. So that is it for this video, and in the next video we will be talking about the different services which are provided by operating system and the different types of operating system, like batch operating system, multi-programming operating system, time-sharing operating system, and other stuff. So let's enjoy this video series and let's learn operating system together. Thank you.